In this series, we're going to learn how to use apiCAM Studio, our intuitive graphical user interface built on top of the apiCAM SDK. As you will see, with apiCAM Studio, you can easily capture and visualize both the image and the depth map from your apiCAM in real time, making it the fastest way to start exploring the camera's capabilities. First of all, you need to download and install the apiCAM Studio package, which includes the apiCAM SDK and the apiCAM Studio. Connect the camera to a super speed USB port on your computer using the USB 3.0 cable provided. Open the apiCAM Studio application on your computer. For the initial setup, ensure that the PC connected to the apiCAM has internet access. When you click the play button, the system will automatically download and install the camera configuration file, and the camera will start working. Remember to check our website for updates. Now that everything is ready to start, we'll begin configuring the parameters. Check our next video to learn how to set up the image for optimal use of our products.